Okay.
This is to show you how to do compression fittings on 3/8 stainless. It's the same principle on the 3/8 flex tubing. You just take your fitting, stick it on your tubing, take a 14 millimeter. This is where your nozzle will be. Take a 14 millimeter on the inside and a 17 millimeter on the outside. Tighten this up. You only need about 2 or 3 turns on the flexible tubing, but on this stainless tubing you need to get it just as tight as you can possibly get it. Same thing with the end plugs or the end nozzle. We have end plugs that you can put on there. We have T's. We have 3-way T's and 4-way T's.